Welcome to All in One Zone.
A very good morning to all of you. Today's topic is silence. We are going to discuss about silence. We already know about that is silence is golden. So அதை பற்றி நம்ம இன்னைக்கு டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். That is 5 points. That is 5 aspects. 5 aspect இருக்குது. That we should not open our mouth. நம்மளோட mouth வந்து we should not open our mouth. That is we should maintain silence. Silent-ஆ நம்ம இருக்கணும். In 5 situations. Thought for today. We will discuss today. Situation 1, that is when you feel, when someone can't understand your feelings or thoughts or words, they can't understand your feelings. So at that time you should keep silent. So சைலண்ட்டாக அமைதியாக இருக்கணும். இப்போ அந்த நேரங்களில் நீங்கள் அமைதியாக சைலண்ட்டாக இருக்கணும். ஏன்னா உங்களை புரிஞ்சிக்க முடியாத நேரங்களில். ஸோ யூ ஷுட் not open your mouth. Number 2. Secondly, that is when you are going to answer, you don't know about the answer, you are not clear about the answer, you are not clear about what you are going to say. That is you don't know about the question. That is உங்களுக்கு இந்த question உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிக்க முடியல, you are not able to say the answer. So you are not able to understand. In that situation, be silent. Number 3, when someone is criticizing another person, okay, when they are criticizing another person, you should not be a part of that negativity, okay, you should not be a part of such negativity. So keep quiet in that situation. When someone is screaming in disgust through anger, okay, you should be silent in that situation. 5, when other person is emotionally sharing about their incidents of their life, so at that time, at that kind of situation, you should be silent. ஸோ எந்தெந்த இடத்துலலாம் நம்ம சைலண்ட்டாக இருக்கணும் அப்படின்ற பற்றி நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்த்தோம். கம்மிங் செஷன்ஸ் there is lot of things to be discussed. So we will discuss many matters in the coming session. Okay, I think all these tips will be 5 tips or 5 thoughts how to be silent in 5 situations will be useful to you all. Okay, அடுத்த செஷனில் நம்ம வேறு ஒரு டாப்பிக்கை பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். Thanks for watching.